Shrimp is cooked with onion, tomatoes, and bottle masala. This is a special blend made out of 28 secret spices. Hi guys, today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're going to be making a bottle masala shrimp chili fry. Now this type of shrimp chili fry is something that I make in my house over and over again. It's a really simple recipe. The reason that I've been holding back making this recipe on the channel is because bottle masala is very hard to find. If you live in Bombay, it's easy to find, but here in Canada, not so much. I found a source and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious stir fry, which is super easy using this very special spice blend. Before I go any further, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And in the description box below, I'm going to leave a link so you can learn where to buy this bottle masala for yourself. I'm also running a giveaway on the channel. Make sure to look for those instructions as well. Let's get started. I love this recipe because it's one pot and delicious. I'm starting with some oil. I have about 4 tablespoons here and I'm just going to allow the oil to heat up. Next, I'm going to cook my potatoes. I have 1 cup of cubed potatoes. I love this recipe as it's one pot, but if you prefer, you can either boil the potatoes or you could even cook them in the oven. I'm going to allow these potatoes to cook as it won't get much time to cook later. Once the potatoes are done, remove them and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of finely diced onion. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of sliced green chilies. Cook this till the onions sweat and get a light golden brown. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to cook this a bit to get rid of that raw ginger and garlic flavor. Now I'm going to add 2 pounds, that's 907 grams of shrimp. These have their tails on, but the shells have been removed and the shrimp have been deveined. Now I'm going to add the magic spice. This bottle masala or East Indian masala is a well-guarded secret. Most families have their own recipes, but it's typically made with about 28 spices. The reason it's called bottle masala is because the spice blend used to be crammed into a recycled alcohol bottle. I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons in for now. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. Mix this well to coat the shrimp and add more oil if required. I want the shrimp to get that slight caramelization, but I don't want it to overcook. Previously, I have stayed away from making recipes using this special spice blend, only because I know it's practically impossible to find here in North America. But I've just found a reliable source and I will add that link in the description so you can purchase this in North America. I will also leave a link to purchase it in Mumbai as well. And because Valentine's Day is coming up and I love you guys, I am going to be giving away a 250-gram bottle to one lucky winner. So look out for details in the description. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of diced tomatoes and mix it in. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste and another half teaspoon of bottle masala. This is optional. I'm going to put on a lid and cover this to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. This is just enough so the tomatoes get nice and squishy. Return the potatoes to the pan and add a half cup of diced coriander, and this is ready to serve. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious and very simple recipe for bottle masala shrimp chili fry. You can make this chili fry with anything, chicken, mutton, beef, whatever you like as well. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And leave me a comment below because I do love hearing from you. And one last thing, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.